Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted to help highlight the colours and patterns in the stone. This first piece, royal blue type pattern. Second bit, two little stones there, different pattern. There's a very faint seam at the back here if you wanted to try to cut these off and then go down onto that seam. It would take some skill though, but it looks like it's a nice colour in it. Again, a couple of little stones on the end there, or one stone. This piece has been rubbed down a little bit. Directional sort of flash greens. Purple blues. Green, salmon pink. Lucky last but not least. Again, that needs to be dremelled. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.